So Brady is about to meet this little guy. No, be gentle, Brady. What do you think of him, huh? Hi. What do you think of him, huh? Be gentle. Be gentle. There you go. Be gentle. Get him. He's coming for you, Brady. Aw, good boy. You're being so good with the dog. You think they like each other now? Aww. Brady taking the little duckling on a walk. Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh, did you find something to eat? Hey. He said, are you my mom? Here we go. Here we go. Got another one. I'm going to put him in there. Yeah? What do you think? Oh, does that feel good? What do you think? Brady, one got loose. Be gentle. Be gentle. Be gentle. Oh, good. Be gentle. Be sweet. Be sweet. Come back up. Hi, guys. Don't be sucking up my... Are you thirsty? Are you thirsty, silly puppy? So the black and yellow one, these guys are Rowan, and then these yellow guys are Pekin. What do you think, Brady, huh? Brady, they're building a racetrack for the ducks. And the duck races are about to begin. He's like, what is happening? He's taking off, you're cheating. You're cheating. We're about to disqualify one of the ducks.
Nope. Stay. Ready? Nope. Okay, run.
Oh, go.
No,
it's okay. Good job. Come on, guys.
Oh.
And they're off the tracks. Brady, what happened? Good boy. Brady, how did the races go? Not good, huh?
Oh, Kathy.
Come on, guys. Let's go. They look like they're all plotting. They're plotting against us. They're like, let's put them humans in race tracks and see what happens. Yeah. On your mark. Get set. Go. Brady's like, come on, guys.